Honda Pilot 2006. I'm gonna be trying to I'm gonna try to reprogram the key here, program here to the PCM and immobilizer. What happens is that the security light right there for the key is blinking. While that's blinking, it's never gonna turn on. The vehicle cranks, but it won't start. I'm gonna try it. And nothing. What happens is a mechanic replaced the ignition switch assembly. Common problem on these Hondas, the ignition switch always goes bad. So the guy replaced it, and now I'm gonna try to reprogram the key so it can match the immobilizer with the PCM. And here is the entire menu. So we're gonna go to Honda. And this vehicle was built in Canada. Start new session. So this is Honda Pilot. We're gonna go to Pilot here. You can go to control unit. And we're gonna go to immobilizer. We're gonna follow the instructions here, and I forgot to mention something. Make sure the battery is full charge, and make sure other accessories are completely turned off. Follow the instructions. Immobilizer setup. System check number of keys and status login or whatever. Add and delete keys. Replace immobilizer. Receiver control unit. Replace PCM. So you can choose to replace PCM or any option, not all of them, but you can choose replace PCM, and it will do the key at the same time, or replace immobilizer. You can choose either ones. Turn ignition switch off. Turn the ignition switch on. Vamos a encender el switch otra vez. It says the registration of immobilizer code into the immobilizer unit has been completed. Turn the ignition switch off. Check all keys, access, remote to ensure each will start the engine. So let's see what happens. Vamos a ver qué pasa. And there it goes. Y ahí estamos. El vehículo está encendido. And that's the engine running already. And we don't have the light anymore for the security light for the immobilizer. The green key light. It's not there anymore, so vehicle is up and running. That's beautiful. Thanks for watching the video, and God bless you all.